This video, I'm going to be talking about how you can combine uh, your rectangle support and resistance rectangle line together with your trend line for a profitable outcome, trading outcome. So I'm going to make this video very short, okay? And I hope you learned something from it. If at the end of this video you like the content, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. If there's anything else you want me to make videos about, don't hesitate to leave your comment, okay? So let me illustrate it, and then we'll start. After this illustration, then we'll go to the main chart and we'll see what we have there. So let's assume in an upward direction, we're having a series of higher highs, series of higher highs, you know a series of higher highs, lower high, higher highs, lower high, and so on and so forth. Now, the purpose of your trend line is to connect prices together, two or more prices together, right? So I'm going to adjust this to fit into what exactly we're expecting. So we have this, okay? So this is what we have, and this is a support level. This is a support level. So we already have this resistance, and this is our support level. Now, when price, I'm going to do something right now. Okay, this is the current high at that moment. The current high, immediately price break through this resistance. This high means resistance. Immediately price break through the resistance to the upside to give us a new high. It has turned this place because this resistance is no more valid. It's no more resistant because price has broken it already to give us a new high. This new high is a new resistant level. Okay, so when price gave us this high, when the price was pushing back, it returns back to this high on the same trend line platform level. So we have trend line support level right here. We have price retesting the same high to turn it to support. So this area, we have this trend line support, we have this rectangle support too. So immediately price got to this area, you see that it is a good confirmation for you to buy to the upside to give you another high. Don't forget, in an upward trend, you are looking for a buying opportunity, not selling. Of course, some trader will want to sell from here to this place as long as they have three connections or two or more connections of their resistant trend line, they want to sell to the support level and buy from support level to the resistance level. Of course, some smart trader does that, but I'm talking about you being in a safer side. You understand? In an upward trend, you'll be looking for a buying opportunity. That is, you buy low, you sell high. Okay, so all traders in an upward trend, it is more advisable looking for a buying opportunity when price push to your trap, not looking for a selling opportunity. That means you are trading against the directions of the movement of the trend, of the market. You're trading, and that is very risky. Okay, so immediately price break through this new resistance level to the upside, price was making a retest back to that same area. You have marked this resistance level. You use this to mark your resistance or your support level. Now we have this again right here, and also this. In some cases, price might push a bit below it. Do not panic. Remember, this is lower high. This high is higher than this low. I mean, this low is higher than this low. Is still a lower high. You can't consider price though. You can't consider this price a change of trend until you have a break below this area. Okay, so as long as price is still around here, if price is pushing down to this area, you can just apply another information like, okay, maybe you'll be expecting price to come down to this area, or you plot your Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. You drag it from this low to this high, then you'll be waiting for price to come to either 50%, 60%, or 71%. Okay, let me quickly make one adjustment right here. 71. So either price coming to this your 71%, 61%, or 50%, or coming back to this support level again. That is what you'll be waiting for. So once you have price within that area range, then you can be looking for your buying opportunity. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's assume we have price giving us highs, low, high, low, highs, low, highs, and maybe somewhere around here. Let's do this. This is a trend line, a support trend line. Don't forget, this trend line connect this price together, right? And of course, I know a lot of traders will be waiting for it to get to this area and push to the upside. Now I'm going to tell you some rules. Okay, if you are, excuse me, before we go to that rules, this is a resistance level. I told you, don't force price into your trend line. Don't force price into your line. Don't force it into your line. Let's take a look at this. We can see that this price break above this trend line, this one touches it normally. This one doesn't get there before it reverses. But the rules about this thing is we have high, higher high. As long as the new high is higher than this previous high, as long as the new high is higher than this previous high, it's still the same thing. Okay, it's still the same thing. So now, if another rule is this that you need to take note of, if you are plotting this on a higher time frame, you have this on a higher time frame, immediately price got to this resistance level. No, we are buying. We are buying. Immediately price got to this as support level on a higher time frame. Go to your smaller time frame. If you want to be executing your trading, probably maybe on, okay, maybe you analyze on daily time frame and you execute your trade on a 1 hour time frame. Then you go to 1 hour time frame. On your 1 hour time frame, in this particular area, you see that price will either give you a sort of maybe double bottom. Double bottom is a reversing pattern. Double bottom, price push up, make a retest back to it, and price will be giving you a series of higher high till you get to this new resistance, this new higher high again before pushing back. But your confirmation in this area is to check if price will give you a reversing pattern, and it could either give you a double bottom right here, or okay, let me illustrate this double bottom. This double bottom, you have this support level, and when the price pushes to the upside here, it makes this place a resistance level. This is a resistance level. Immediately price break above that resistance level, is either you wait for a retest or you buy immediately, and you put your stop loss below the trend line, below this support level and the trend line, and you'll be expecting price to give you a new high that is higher than this level, a new high that is higher than this. Or probably you might want to take your first profit at this same level. You buy from here, taking your profit at this same level. Initially, you know it's going to give you a high that is higher than this level, because we are in an upward trend. Okay, another thing, price might not give you double bottom. Price might, at this same junction or this same junction, each time price gets to your support level in an upward trend, get to your support level. Now before we move to that, remember we have this area, we have this is a rectangle trend line to give us support and resistance. This is a resistance, this is a support. We have this resistance, we have this support. Immediately price break through this resistance level to give us a new high. We have another resistance here. Immediately the price push back to give us this trend line support level. We have a new support right here. I hope you understand that. Then this is another one. So what exactly is this for? We are expecting price to break to this area, but price failed, break below this trend line, break below this support and resistance rectangle, and it was coming down. This is your next area of interest where you are expecting price to get to before pushing to the upside again. If in a situation whereby price break below this, it is a change of movement. Price is no more giving us another higher high anymore. It will rather give us push to this side and give us another low and started creating a lower low, and so on and so forth. So in this situation, you wait for price to get here. Once price gets here, then go to a smaller time frame. You would definitely see something like either double bottom or price consolidating at that junction, then push up to give us another high that is higher than this level. That is, price can give us on a smaller time frame, you look for a consolidation or double bottom here. Then you won't just buy to the upside, because this area, as you've marked this area to be your support level, so immediately price gets to that your support level, your area of interest, wait for price to react in that area. So once price is reacting, giving you these small mini highs, pick this, mark the highs. Your confirmation, if you can't make entry from here, because in some situation I wouldn't advise you to make entry from here anyway, because in some situation price might make this consolidation and break to the downside to continue its movement. Okay, but in this scenario, you mark these little highs. Immediately price break through the highs, you make your entry, or you either wait for price, you can either wait for price to push back to turn this resistance level, turn it to support, then you buy to the upside, and your stop loss will be below this your support level. Okay, so and if let's quickly talk about how to combine your Fibonacci with it. Okay, in this situation, in this scenario, you discover that price is coming down to this place. Price was supposed to respect this area. Price was coming down to this area. Then how do you know if price would reverse from here? There's a low that is lower than this low, which is this low. Then you now pick your Fibonacci retracement from this low. Then this is the highest high where the price this is the highest high the price got to before making that reverse. From this swing low to swing high, expecting price to either respect 61% or 71% or 50%. If this price fail to respect your 50% right here, then it should respect your 61%. So if your 61%, your Fibonacci 61% is at the same level with this your support and resistance rectangle line, then that is another good confirmation. Then you take out this Fibonacci retracement. Then you take out the Fibonacci retracement. Excuse me. Then you take out the Fibonacci retracement and go to a smaller time frame where you may execute your entry. Look for a confirmation. Probably maybe you want price to give you a double bottom right here before you push to the upside. Let's quickly go to a rechart. This is Europe USD on 1 day time frame. We have this, and we have this as support level. Okay, so this is a support level, a low, and this is a high. This is a low, a high. Now let's pick out this to mark out our lows. Mind you, when price was immediately price break through this lower level to give us this low. Okay, price push to the upside. Immediately the price got to this trend lines resistance level. At the same level with this support that was broken, turn it to resistance. If you are selling here, what happened to the price? Push to the downside, came back again to that trend line. You can still sell again. Now let me tell you the reasons behind this push up. Let's zoom out or zoom in, whatever, to take a good look at this area. When this price pushed to this area, it came down a bit to give us this support level. You mark the support level. We have a break below in your analysis. You are to sell once price get to this area, and price gave you this low, push up again and breaks the low, pushing up, came back to respect this support level to turn it to resistance at this same resistance trend line. You can still make another entry there. Look at this support level. When price was coming down, this is a support, price break through the support to give us this lower low. When the price was pushing to the upside again, it came to that same line, at this same trend line, before it reversed. Okay, at least we can see more than enough entry right here. Look at this support level. When price break through the support level, price break through the support level to give us this lower low, push up again. Now let's take a look at something. We want to add Fibonacci retracement as another confirmation to this level or this level. This is the swing high, this is the swing low. Let's pick a Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low, drag it. Price came back to respect a 50% trend line. 50% trend line. That is where this price push back. A 50% trend line. We have this 61% right here. We have this 61%. This is 70%, 71%. came back to respect our 50% trend line. Now let's check this out. From this swing high to this swing low, let's drag it. Price came back to respect our 50% trend line again. Fibonacci line, 50% at the same area. That is another confirmation. Okay, when price push from here, if you mark this place to this here, to this support level, Fibonacci retracement, it will give you either 50%. If you mark this area to this area, it will either give you 31% or 50%. If you mark this area to this area, it will either give you 50% or 31% or 61% or 70%. Okay, so that is what we have on this uh, video. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to it and my channel and leave your comment, and also press on the notification button so that you can learn more whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much.